I know that being an artist is cool, but sometimes it's very scary. Hi friends, I am Maria Palito, and today I want to share with you a very personal side of my creative journey. Some time ago, fear took over me and made me doubt everything. I was lost inside my fear and I was not able to create. I was replicating over and over my own work without evolving in any direction. I know I had always been a very perfectionist person, but that was not an issue for me to create. Then the fear started taking over and I was just petrified just with the idea of trying. Being an anxious and very sensitive artist is not a very good combination because it makes everything harder. It has been a long journey, but I feel very grateful for every step I have taken. It requires to detach from the end result, start exploring new techniques and stop listening to the negative self-talk you have inside your head. I found that living a more intentional life and focusing on my deepest needs started to make a change. I decided to create the projects I needed for myself to relax and to connect with my heart. I started journaling and staying away from the comparing trap. Keeping yourself creating is the way to overcome your creative anxiety. I have to confess it took me a long time to connect with my art. Then I realized healing was a process and I needed to take the steps to go back to feeling good about myself again. Then I started drawing coloring pages for myself, journaling, having a sketchbook, joining art challenges and doing fan art. The drawing I am doing today is a fan art piece. I painted this from an anime show I have been watching on Netflix. I am using my Apple Pencil, my iPad Air 3 and the app Procreate. I am sure creative anxiety is not easy to overcome, but for sure you can take baby steps toward feeling more connected with your creations. Your art doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be your own and resonate with who you are. If you are feeling anxious about your creative work, start finding inspiration in other places besides art. Stay away from the endless scrolling in Pinterest or Instagram and get back to music, movies, books, and try to connect with your own feelings to create. Everything will be fine. This is just a transition to find yourself again.